Let's see here. There you go. All right. So the reason why they're taking this apart, as you can see, the extent of all the dry rot is just like barely holding on. I mean, this bag. Go ahead, show them some more. Break it up. It's just not even there, and that's the reason why we're removing it. That's the rim joist. That's where everything connects to. And then it's over here. This is part of the house where this beam here also very dry rotted. So, and here, or anywhere where the water was exiting the deck, it's just dry rotted. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually remove this entire deck and lower it 4 inches so it doesn't go, water can't go back into the house. See how easy it just crumbles? That's the deck. I mean, it's just, there's nothing. Okay, that's what this change order is referring to, and only this deck. Then we'll go downstairs. We have some more. I'll show you downstairs as well. Okay, so here's the bottom floor is where we started. So they're working on this area here, and this is that deck because that's the reason why we started here, because we saw we're working on this part of the building. So this is the deck from the bottom floor, or the main floor. We're not sure what you want to call this floor. So they're working their way this way. We got this wall supported. They built this wall here. This is built nice and strong. Originally it had 2x4s, but since it's holding up so much weight, we felt that it'd be better if we used 2x6s, and Mark agreed. So we got it all nice and tight in, nice and tight. We're gonna have to fix that, obviously. So here's one of the PLS beams that we're going to be installing here. They'll be removing this one, that one right there. They've supported the wall on both sides, so when they do cut the floor joists, we're not going to have any sag. This was the column that we're asking to have re-engineered because it's obviously too small. The size of that beam is going to be double that, which is 5 1/4, makes it 10 1/2. So we need at least a 10 1/2 by something. So we're leaving that up to the engineer. We're not making that decision. Also, we need a post cap that'll strap to the top, and Mark finally got us a diagram for the fabricator.